you can check whether the ID provided to you is original or not. Currently, what the companies do, they check it with the online system. Like if you give them the Aadhaar number, they'll check it online and get back to you. But with this project, you can do it instantly. You just have to upload the image and you can check whether the original image is matching with the PAN card provided or not. So let's see how we will do this. We'll do this project in 10 simple steps, in which first we take the images from the user. We'll find the threshold. We'll find the size and the format of that image. We'll change the shape and size of the image that we get from the user to the original PAN card image. Then we'll convert that image to grayscale to find the similarity index. After similarity index, we'll find the threshold of the image contours and grab those contours using IMUtils. Next, we will create a bounding rectangle using those contours. After that, we'll plot difference, threshold, original and tampered image, which we will compare and get to the score of similarity to decide whether the image is tempered or not.